Hi folks, my name is Vitali and I make a full-time income online through affiliate marketing. And since I started affiliate marketing in 2007, I've actually made over $1 million in sales doing this. Now, in addition to some of the income reports that you see over here, and here are some other more recent ones, I have provided a 7-lesson program that will teach you how I personally do affiliate marketing. Now, this is a completely free course that you can check out by clicking on the link below this video to get started with. There's no email required, no credit card, no personal info. The lessons are 100% free. And in addition to the lessons that you're also getting from me, you're also welcome to ask me any questions that you have about affiliate marketing as well as making money online. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. And in the first lesson that you will be able to access by clicking on the link below this video, you're going to see some case studies that I have. I'll be showing you some of my websites, examples, and I will basically be giving you my step-by-step formula of how to do affiliate marketing. So before you get started, here's just a few quick tips. So once again, this is a complete course on affiliate marketing, and it's also very beginner friendly. So if you're completely new to this business model, don't worry about it. This course is really simple to understand. Now, affiliate marketing is a legitimate business model. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, so please understand that the way I teach people to do affiliate marketing is through a legitimate approach. So please make sure that as you watch these lessons that you also devote your attention to this course. And once again, if there's any questions, you're welcome to ask me them throughout these 7 lessons. So to get started is real simple. There's a link below this YouTube video. If you're on YouTube right now, simply click that link and you're going to access lesson 1. And if you're on my website right now, simply click on the big link below this video and you'll also get access to the same first lesson. And you'll be able to go from there all the way up to lesson 7. Thanks.